Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back guys to yet another video by Ulela Nyabole Makhaleni. Before we go any further, guys, please click the like button. Please kindly also subscribe to my channel. I've reached watch hours, but I didn't reach 1K subscribers. So please help me reach the milestone. It would be highly appreciated. Without wasting any more time, today since a Q&A, it get to know us tag with the one and only husband. Oh, Mr. Makhaleni, do you want to say hi?
Hello guys, thank you for joining us. I'm so excited again to be with you guys, and I'm hoping you'll enjoy this video. Hey, I wonder abantu babuzendoni dinekhala Lord as well, but yeah, I'm excited and looking forward to spend this time with you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. So basically in this video you will get to know us better, hence get to know us tag. I asked people on social media questions, things they would like to know about us. So I will be answering those questions. We will be answering those questions. So a quick background about myself. Igama lam nguBulela, ifani yam nguNyobole. That's basically igama lami ndakhula ndisaziwa ngalo. So I was born in Cape Town, raised in Cape Town, ndiselapha eCape Town nangoku ebudaleni bam. I went to primary school at Greenpoint, Lise Town, Prestige Primary School. Ndifunde phaya ndayogqiba grade 7. Grade 8 to grade 12, I went to Immaculata. It's a girls' Catholic school. Wynberg. That's where I did grade 8 to 12. Then kenda hamba ndaya eVarsity ndayokwenza degree which is the undergrad. I studied a Bachelor of Commerce, majoring in finance and accounting. Ndaphuma apho ke ndayokwenza postgrad in management accounting. So ngoku ndi-adult, ndiyaphangela and nditshadile. Hence ke igama additional surname after uNyobole kukho Makhaleni. So ndaphiwa igama elitsha ke kwathiwa ndinguSolethu Makhaleni emasameni elibode kulolo mfana. So ke ngoku I just go by Lela Nyobole Makhaleni, or you can say Lela Nyobole, whichever one you're comfortable with.
Oh, thank you guys. Yeah, just to start shortly, my name is Ludo Makhabeni.
Anthony, too.
Oh yeah, don't. Yeah, so the Kulele Cape Town, Ekailicha, but I think from preschool till end of grade 2. Then from the Eastern Cape, then I grew up in Khayelitsha, Sightsee, one of townships as a Khayelitsha. Then I studied there in Ucheni, then went to Luhlaza, which is also one of the renowned high schools. Khayelitsha. Then I went and furthered my studies after AUCT. I did economics and finance, and then I graduated, get degree. So currently, so I'm just on a journey of fighting qualifications. So I'm just hoping we'll be in that battle now. But Isco is saying 1-0 because they are loser currently. Yeah. So yeah, we're working. involved in some businesses, but yeah, we're young people that are passionate about success and the success of young people, and also just not just ensure about we are successful, but we've done into as means it does just to ensure that even other young people where we can help bakwazi ukuphumelela. So I think that's in terms of a career. Been involved in a lot of projects as yeah.
So basically, in a nutshell, City Abo, just a young couple, is a fighter ubanoko inyoki iyephezulu ebomini. So yeah, you guys sent us questions. Abanye babuze questions ezinzulu. Asazoyiki. Okay. Should we start nge question as light? Because okay, the most popular question is how did you meet your husband? How did you meet your husband? How did you meet your husband? So do you think we should start with that one?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Andizochaza amagama. Question 1. How did you meet your husband?
Yeah, you can take that.
So I met my husband ndandiphangela kwenye indawo wethu evulisa i-account kwenye ivenkile. And my husband, it was me, my friend uSiphokazi plus nomnye ke nezinye colleagues. So sasivulisa abantu i-accounts wethu outside the store. And then my husband wayeme outside of that shop ephethe i-textbook. Enxibe isuit engubhuti omtsha efanelekile. And then we were just having a conversation about lo mfana uyayithanda mani town na izolo belapha namhlanje ulapha yabo. So nqoma mana ndiyombulisa ndiyozama ndithi bhuti ka uzovula nansi account, but I don't know, bengenathemba loba uzoyivula account because ndabona uba ngubhuti omtsha is either ukwi-matric okanye I don't know mhlawumbe usevarsity okanye usakhayela umsebenzi yabo. But yeah, ndaya ke because I was bored either way because ngekho bantu bavule accounts, and xa ndimbona I was like, oh actually it's not the same guy belapha izolo yabo. So nabe ndimbulisa, hi bhuti unjani ntontoni cela ukuvulisa i-account, and he was like, no andiphangeli, I'm a student wara. And nabe ndimbuza, why you funda i-textbook etawuni yabona. He was like, no ndine-exam. Wawuthi nodiferile ne? Why differ exam? So wabe ezobhala ke ngoku, but wabe esithi ba umama wakhe uthe bana mabambi bayi-2 because there are things they needed to do together wara ntonto yabo. So that caught my attention, but lo mfana ufunda i-textbook etown. I was like, oh, intellect. And then he was like, I go to UCT. I was like, what? UCT? How clever kaloku santype yam le. So we were having just a conversation about, oh wow, ufunda ntoni? I know wenza i-finance and economics, blah blah blah. And I was like, oh okay, actually nam ndiki-matric this year and ndifuna ukwenza i-accounting next year, ingase nam ndiye-UCT ntontontoni yabo. Then we started having a chat wethu, sabe sincokola ke nangemaths, wabe ndixela uba oh no, i-maths ugood enough i-maths and uyabatutarisha abantu i-maths and all. I was like, okay, nansi tutor. I was like, okay, nansi tutor izatutarisha i-maths. And then yeah, we exchanged numbers ke, but he never called me. So I was like, yo, hayibo lo mfana kanti undihlamile yabo. And then ndabona endisendele Facebook request. Yeah. And then wathi, hi, ndiye ndarojelwa ifoni ntontoni. I was like, okay, so akandghostanga. So yeah, and then we exchange numbers again. Then we arranged to meet for a maths. But on that day, ndizodibana naye ndikwi-Afrikaans cela uphathiswa uba yho ndizadibana netutor yam ne-maths entsha. But ndi-excited man, ndinala excitement ayikho ngathi ndizodibana netutor. But I was like, I don't think ngathi ngumntu wam man lo, ingathi zoba ngumntu wam. I was so excited. So yeah, sadibana ke ndaphuma. Okay, so basically that's that on how we met. That go like Dala Nosbalis is a story so that how I met my husband. But yeah, this is my friend, okay. Ndiyamthanda ke lo mntu ubuzele, my high school friend. Let's say, hey Ntombi, just wanted to know, how is marriage treating you? How is marriage treating you?
Yeah, very exciting question. Yeah, I think like man chatted so far. We've dated for a long time, not that long, but yeah, I think I was 9 go since January of 2016. Officially as Chilo on the 22nd of January. So I mean, obviously you get a lot of questions around, but is it different basemchadweni, kwezekantoni, and all of that. So we married this year 2025, I mean officially, but ilobola yenziwa last year 2024. But I think we've decided so into that in terms of our official anniversary to be on the 22nd of Feb, which is almost.
And yeah, match up because 22nd of Jan, 22nd of Feb. Hey,
yeah,
I did it.
Yeah, so I mean, it has been so nice and chatting. Great time. It's ingathi siyaqala, and I'll say I think she's been more even excited and chatting even more happier for a machita that that I've been dating for a question. I think I think there's more comfort and that relief that you are more serious and you are willing to take things further than date, because I've dated for a long time, but I think the fact that dealing with things are different, we are more excited, and we are enjoying this journey together. Yeah, I think umnandi emtshadweni, I must say. Kakhulu, yeah. How do you feel?
Kumnandi. But do you think the honeymoon phase later go sisithi kumnandi kangaka? Okanye I don't know. Mhlawumbe sise excited kube sisanda uchata. Cause ngubani nguMay ngoku sichatele nini. Okay, let's count ilobola from 14 December.
Yeah.
Sichate since then. But ever since then, we've been on a high, man. So excited, kumnandi. And dating is very different from like it's so different. Nomchat akufani. It's a totally different thing. I don't know. Nobody get uchata kwethu has revived something in us. But shame, it's a good decision. Chatani guys, kumnandi emchatweni. Siphila kamnandi, sonwabile. You know, we're building together. Yabona, into yaziba okay ngoku ndi safe. I can let my guard down because I have a husband. He knows that he has a wife that he can rely on. Umntu wakho is always there. Ibone noba because this time bese emsebenzini, but ubuye later than ixesha qhela ubuya ngalo. And I was like, yo, akusabhore kule nto, ndiyabuza babe ubuya nini? He had meetings, but then he was like, okay, ndizolinda itraffic uba slow it down. But I'm like, yo, sana mna ndiqhela ngaloo nto. Sendiqhela uba we always spending time together and all of that. Yes, we've been in love for a long time, the Sivana and all that, but ngoku on another level. So chatani, highly recommend.
Yeah.
Kumnandi emtshatweni.
Kakhulu, yeah.
Next question. Okay, lona uthi, how did you meet? Okay, so siyiphendulile leyo. And then ngumntase wami ke lo. And then uthi, how long did you date before getting married?
Yeah, I think as I've said, we've dated for 9 years, and then approaching Nyaka West 10.
8 years and a couple of months because these by 9 years go January 2022.
Yeah, I mean, I think you're fun.
Yeah.
It's
So
like full 9
yeah,
years,
fun. So in 9 years, we dated for 9 years. We've been together for 9 years. And in 9 years, yeah, khawuleza guys, because it's not like you are just sitting and doing nothing. Life uyenzeka. Life is happening to you. Like 9 years, you are achieving izinto. Like I said, for example, I was in matric. So, January 2016, I was in matric. 2017, I was doing my first year. 18, 19, 20. Then I degree. That's 5 years already. And then I had one module to do. 2021, and I completed my degree. That's 6 years already. 2022, 23, I did my postgrad. And then go 2023 bensebenza, but still I had one module again and then a completer. 2024, 9 years I was working. This is the 10th year I'm working. 2025.
Yeah,
So especially I move. It's not like I'm busy. We are achieving things. We are buying cars. We are moving in together. Buying furniture. We keep milestones and is richer. So you've been dating for a because there's literally progress ebomini benu. Mayingabi ngathi ndiyazi-explainer, but ke for abantu bathi yho kutheni ehleli ixesha elide kangaka, like no, besingazochata ndikwi-matric okanye mhlawumbi singaphangeli and stuff like that. So that's ndizama undibonisa loo nto. Okay, uthi ke lona, are you planning kids soon?
Yeah, finally question. Yeah, but if I in the sense that so you too, when it comes to abantwana, I don't know, mhlawumbe ingqondo zethu bezafana when it comes to that. Singabantu nje that I'll say we enjoy company yethu.
Yeah.
Kakhulu, and like for now, we think abantwana mhlawumbe babe kancinci, and so we are not planning to have abantwana kwangoku. So firstly, I think it is recommended that mhlawumbe if niyatshata unyaka, you can spend unyaka or two without ibe nabantwana. But obviously, I think the fact that mhlawumbe dala sazana and ixesha liyahamba and all of that, so abantu still say mhlawumbe no, you can have abantwana, but thina soyi-two, we always want to have that time sisoyi-two, and also like ingathi abantwana by responsibility, like yeah, kanjalo like xanduva. I don't think mhlawumbe sisacinga kanjalo for now, the fact that umntana funeka umkhathalele, you're taking out of our time, and mhlawumbe abothi safuna, I mean, we are still wanting to have international trips. So they feel like, okay, ngoku funeka sithi hey mama kabushe up and all of that. So I think that's one of the reasons mhlawumbe abantwana singabaplananga for now. When what do you think?
Yeah, unyansi thina siyavana ngxaki, we get along kakuhle, yabo, we enjoy each other's company, and basicinga ba oh namhlanje after work let us go to the beach, ngoku masambe si-rescue, we can decide about okay masambe siye vacation somewhere, yabo. Sometimes into sizicinga kanje, and then we are able to do them because asina restriction ye-routine yoba actually funeka silungisele lo mntana, funeka sikhathalele lo mntana, funeka sithini, siyathwasa, and we always do izinto ezininzi together. Basiya shop sihamba soyi-two and all that. Basinomntana bowufuna uye shop funeka ucinga uba yho funeka ndibe ndipakisha into ezincinci, what if uzityekezela ubone. So we are still enjoying la freedom because once abantwana bafike guys, abantwana ba-permanent. Awuzukwazi uthi ba hayi ngoku ndidinwe ukuba ngumzali, so you need to make sure that ready. So thina for now shem asithi basizuba nabo, but for now we are just enjoying each other's companies, enjoy umtshato wethu. Yeah, sifuna uba ready for abantwana because that's a human being ozocontributor kwi-society. Funeka senze sure ne-environment abafika kuyo conducive, environment right, sibakhulise kakuhle, ne-principles esifuna bazithathe, indlela esifuna bakhule ngazo sifuna uba more in control of izinto ezinjalo, try and limit. Of course you cannot control ke external factors, but you can manage and limit them. So abantwana bazoba right man, bazobantu bangabantu aba right ekuhlaleni.
But yeah, but cute abantwana guys. So
Ba cute
I
yo.
love babies.
Wasinyani wena uyabathanda abantwana. Nami I love
badlalisa,
babies.
All
Yeah.
of that. But yeah, I think I'm 14 about go guys.
But into endiyithanda ngabantwana uba uyamteketisa, they are cute and all of that, but once akhala you can always just say, oh okay, ungamthatha ngomntana xa ngowakho ukwazi uthi funeka umthulise ngokwakho. So yeah, that's that with abantwana. Okay, ezinye manzi nzulu ngifuna ugqibela ngazo. Oh, nansi hairstylist yam uthanda na question 2 zoske ndigeze ndithi khawundiphungulele ezo zitho. Okay, Lona uthi, how did you know umntu wakho was the one?
Well, okay. For me, I think Lela, her energy overall, how she is, how we relate, our relationship, the love that we have for each other. It doesn't about I know they are relaxed. I know, I mean, this is a good person. Her character, obviously, her beauty, those things. Zanensba, yeah, she's the one. And other thing is very fun because I think we mentioned in the previous video that we'll have some time where we will like discuss and we make plans for Unyago school, if it's 2025, then plan down the year and then we say, okay, we want to achieve this. And then this time it was, I'm not sure the year, but I think early 2018, I think. So we went out, Sahlale Baki this time, and then we just had some quiet time, we write things down. And I had this dream, and then it was funny, but so this dream, that I was in so
you had a dream the night before and after the park?
It was the night before the park. Yeah, boom. Then I was like, and then this was like, oh Lela, when Cooper in that I don't know English.
It's a hole.
Yeah. But like from there I was like, okay, I didn't take it that serious, but I think as a Yamba, specifically 2018, things were tough for me. 2018, like challenging, even though I was a student, not doing well at school. So like cousin yam, someone that was close to the family, so tata as well. So it was actually a tough time for me in 2018. And then I had this dream early the year, but I think throughout the year, Lela was Bonakalisa, she was faithful. She was always there for me. We always had a great time. I mean, even though it was difficult, but I knew that she has my back. So such things, I think this that makes you to know about, okay, this is not just any normal person, it's someone that you can go far with, especially in those hard times. So I think, yeah, that's when I actually realized, this is the person of my future. Yeah, but here when the forward
that's fun. Anybody didn't live where you were like, hey baby, the pupe this and then Nanda what cookie side, and then I reached out for this and then the coupe and like I was like, oh, I don't know, but I guess meaning, and that was a defining moment for you. But yeah, how did I know Ludo was the one? I didn't know. I don't know, but It's the way yabona mna, I think it's the way indlela wayengiphatha ngayo, indlela waye enandimbona uba usupportive ngayo, indlela andithanda ngayo, ba mna uyandikhathalela, undiphatha kakuhle, khondlongondlongo ube I think that was it for me. I think nento ba man ungumntu o patient, chilled, and siyavana was like yabona lo soya kude sana, and we always see the inside jokes zethu, so singabantu bahlele bonwabo. I was like this feels like home, this feels like warmth, this feels like umntu I would like to wake up next to every day. This feels like umntu I would like to do life with, because peaceful or full of joy. So yeah, to me it was uphathwa kakuhle qha. Yeah, that was that. And then but what are the 3 qualities that you love about each other? 3 qualities ozithanda ngam, 3 qualities endizithanda ngawo.
Okay. I think for it again, okay, uLela is generally uLela ngumuntu othanda ukuhleka, even though mhlawumbe xa ubona mhlawumbe hayi ayingumuntu oserious kanye approachable, mhlawumbe ngathi mhlawumbe sometimes ngathi ayathanda ibana and all of that, but I think my wife, she's just a joyful person. She's a peaceful person and also a very supportive person. I think when it comes to that, she goes all out to ensure that if like you are in trouble, she's fully present. You know, the small things, they matter, you know. And also, generally, I think she's a smart person. Like yeah, she's very smart, and yeah. So I think I love those things, and I mean obviously the key things, like she's respectful, transparent, you know, gomni that is just straightforward, you know. If I get happy, she'll address into, you know, and we are going to tell, but overall I think she always tries to approaches it that is respectful. Yeah, I think for that, that's what's standing out for them a bit.
Nowadays, three qualities that I love about Miram. Ludo is a very patient person. Sometimes I understand. He's very patient, like with abantu, with me. Like Uludo ngabantu xa kuthiwa umuntu makazeke kade umsindo, that is Uludo. Sometimes I'm just like putwa sense of urgency, like I bekudala ngoko yena. He's very calm, collected, patient, and also umuntu ozicingayo bani izinto, like when something is happening, uthatha ixesha uthetha, uyayicinga into, and then like ayibone ngendlela wena mhlawumbe ungenoyibona ngayo. For example, it leads to lanto ye-patience. Sometimes mna ingasi izinto zisolveke ngoku then siqhubekeke, but yena uzawuhlala analyze, ayithi oh maybe we should look at it ngale angle, maybe ngale ndlela, and uyamcingela omunye umuntu ba hayi mhlawumbe ucinga kanje ke manje. You can't just assume ba umuntu ucinga kanje. Umuntu maka communicate ba i-actions zakhe wayenze kanje, uyabo. So ngabantu shem and he's very forgiving. That's another thing. I shem ngumuntu noxolo and move on fast, and when he's loving and very respectful. Ulude ngabantu bathandwayo ngabantu, ungumuntu wabantu shem. Ulude uba ukwi space nolude nimoshe nobayithu kuzothiwa nguwe orongo, because Ulude gives off innocence. Kungathiwa nothi Ulude ngulo orongo. I think one of your friends once also said that ba Ulude hayi umuntu ongamazi akathi innocent, so unala appearance positive ungumuntu othembakeleyo xa umjoli but thina simazi siyamazi uba wow.
I get uyangibhida. But I think on the part about when you say I'm patient, so into fine is that the fact that mhlawumbe something that detect us slow and all of that. Like siyathanda uxabana ngalo. And ifani lona because umuntu uthethe into and would want you to respond now. Like even to the minor things while ndicinga sewufuna uphendula umuntu. Hey, so guys, I don't know if it's a good thing
sometimes
or
you
not,
must
but
find a balance. Ungacaba ngoku kanye yo babekubuza uba yintoni ongayithanda ngomyeni wakho bendizawutsho but khange ubuze.
we must process things. Yeah.
Yo ulude guys uzawuthetha athule angaguyi. And then I'm like, are you ignoring me? Athi ingxaki ndisacinga. Qoba yo think fast. Think fast.
Guys, yeah.
So yeah, that is that. Okay, we answered that. Ezinye ziya repeat the shame questions. Sorry, okay, naleya repeat. Okay, so what was your first impression of each other? First impression, ngona ngiqala ukubona. I was like, ooh, he looks so smart. Unxibe kahle, uyafaneleka. And wayiphethe textbook. I was like, ooh, intellectual being. Smart, low, clever, and uthi ufunda ABCT, so I like that. Sasiphaphela nezazinto sapiosexuals. I was like, ooh, I'm a sapiosexual. So ndiyabathanda abantu abasmart. So that was my first impression of Ulude.
The smart kanye.
Oh, smart. You are smart. Susan was humble. Okay, what was your first impression of me?
I think for him it's more of and you can approach her. Generally back then, whatever was like I would say so Ted. I'm more conservative guy, but generally people that are around him, once they get used to me, they will know about okay. Oh look, even though that mundo serious, where Tanda joke is someone that I was telling us like you. So funny enough, I think we shared similar characteristics. Godan Kalmbon. That is more serious. And that even approaching her is not as easy. But as in seven and a pleasure, low calling down and tingles name. Like we'll have jokes like throughout, like I think as it actually we actually discovered mobile actually say fun about. So we had like common jokes along. And even though in clubs it was very serious, but we always try to find a way to make it a joke around that. So I think that's the first impression and then now guy. Yeah.
So that's also what you once said that to me. Serious,
oh yeah,
independent,
exactly. And then a student. See first year, I was like, hey, I go banzi, but yeah, and also I think just a bit of that. Club comes a student, then meeting someone else, you kind of in a way, you are shy around the budget, especially in daughter. Okay, if no maintain it up, don't so But I mean, I was very easy sharing and loving, so I never felt buying a tea and your daughter because of even those are students. But I think Nogulela was more exposed to these things, and I think to touch of it like when they go out, as a student. And that time I thought Umbeng was like okay, if no coupe die, and all of that. But yeah, just to give a background to
Mna
that. Yeah.
ndandiyintombi ehamba ooprompiat
Hey,
ootashas kwase-high school tempo-tashas
late,
oospe ndandikhule ngabo so iresti ndandizazi so I was like bhuti wam awuzundenzela loo nto mna xa ndikwi-relationship funeka sihambe must do nice things saya nako-the bungalow sisaqala udate I think the second year ne.
Ndangazazi
Yabo.
Chomi zami zazingazazi nabo the bungalow.
Ndamnceda
Ndiyavuma babazala.
ndambonisa yabona ngoku uyasuggesta the recent restaurant sasiye kuyo le i-Bosjes zindawo zakhe ubhuti we-restaurants abantu iitshomi zakhe nee-peers xa zifuna ii-ideas zithi Mlutz nguwe wazi vacations ne-restaurant kasi-advice team.
What is
Yeah, okay, so Kuta, what do you admire most about your partner? I go similar like
Yeah, I think this is similar.
it's similar.
Yeah.
Pindu tete sweet nothings.
Relax.
You admire. Okay. What's your favorite memory together?
Favorite. Kaka pendule.
Favorite memory. Young now. My favorite memory. We have guys, 10 years, zininzi memories. But favorite memories is when we travel.
Yeah, no, that's
when we travel.
Mm.
And like every time we go vacation, I was like, wow, this is my favorite vacation out of all the vacations I've been. This is the best one. So Zizo man, favorite memories. But I'm trying to think of one. Maybe Ningati, it's our Lobola day. That was one of my favorite memories. And also work with Sigelelo. That was so special. I don't know how to explain the feeling, but it was so special. It was so intimate. I was like, oh my God, I underestimated this. I think those two, if I have to choose, I think it's our Lobola day.
That's something a lot of between the two. But yeah, I think for him actually in like going out, seeing places, Singapore Batado matches.
Sayeka ngoku akasafuni ngoku kodwa wayithanda
umatches
uyagoloza ngoku.
But maybe general around those things go out, I'm late again. But I'm in classic men, but I don't think I got mine in big clubs for almost a day. Yeah, but so I think going out is one of our key highlights, good relationship here too. And generally we love to explore places, in Cape Town, I think Western Cape. Okay. Obviously there are other places, but yeah, I think that was Nancy. We have done them, Western Cape.
Nice,
but
George.
if ever memory, it's actually funny, but I don't forget it. It's like one and color that's the fine time, but spare guys. Once I was spare, and I sang in that song before, but I didn't have like that experience about the restaurant and all of that. And that was 2016. So Pana, like Nani lost even like Kaunikezwa, amanzi lemon for uhlamba izandla. I was like, okay, do I sell amanzi okanye but the fun is that at least we understand and one better like then so I was like, okay, no, this is
big combo.
Yeah, it was big back home. I think it was 250 that time. Go over salamis, but even Nandia. So I was like, I had a good time. Cool, yeah.
Fork and knife,
At least if I
uba lesothuka xa sizobuza uba nise-right uthi yo kutheni esikhathalele kangani inokuba cha sinemali qoba yo yandihlaza wena Thixo. But it was normal ke mna kudala mna ndakhutshwa ndaya koSpare oWimpy i-dates with the-colleagues kamamam and all that, so it was normal. I was so shocked uba and then wena what do you mean? So we come from two different worlds, two different backgrounds.
Exactly.
But yeah, so this one, E.T., what is your dream travel destination together?
Nice. I think generally when it comes to that, I think for me it will be mhlawumbe Zanzibar, Tanzania, and I mean Paris as well, and I think I would love a Spasiepana. But generally, I think in terms of a career, I think we can see the land of London just for us to go, since
To
both
work
of us, so we cooperate, but I think so at some point we are still dreaming about one day. When up, baby?
Travel destination for fun. Dinelist
Oh, yeah,
Zanzibar, kukho i-Thailand, kukho i-Mauritius,
yes.
i-Egypt as well. So yeah, ezi-attainable ke esinoya kuzo just now zezi zine-currency. Yo, bantwana bomesa. Yeah, but yeah, ezifutshane mhlawumbe sinoqala siye kuzo ngoma-Mozambique, cheap ke ngoma-Thailand because of the currency exchange rate. But yeah, basically that's that. And I think that brings us to the end of the Get to Know Us tag. I hope you guys you got a chance to know us better as abantu, maybe ngoku so relatana nikakuhle, because mhlawumbe zikhona common things esinorelatani kuzo from you guys to us. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking around. Please do not forget to like, subscribe. Just leave a beautiful comment. Just comment anything relating to this video. I like the vlog and all that. Otherwise, from us, the Macabenis, it's bye for now. See you next time. Bye.
Dango.
Wow.